Hi, welcome to my channel. Let's play with shapes today. I will do a lipstick shape and a mini stiletto. We'll file a lot and we'll use the drill bit to create the shape. Keep in mind that I am working on a different shape, so I am doing a nail transformation. On the ring finger I shaped it a little and looks more like a lipstick type. I will start with the pointer and creating a mini stiletto with medium grit round ceramic bit at 10,000 RPM speed. After creating my shape, I will use the 180/180th nail file to define the sides. So, hit the subscribe button and the notification bell, if you didn't already, and if you are a returning viewer, I am happy you like my videos. Because it is too thick the nail, I will go under with the same drill bit. In the same time I take off from the bulk under and over the nail. For the middle finger I will create the same lipstick shape as a mirror version of the ringer. Using the same drill bit, I go in diagonal with it, putting a light pressure in at 10,000 RPM speed. After creating the shape, I will use the nail file to define it. Now I will continue to file the nails, buffing to get them ready for polygel infill. Apply primer and bond 1 coat. Let it dry and apply 1 coat of base gel. Cure it for 30 seconds. Go with a small medium bead of pole gel. Dip the brush in slip solution and start spreading it evenly on the nail plate. When you are done, cure it in the lamp for 30 seconds. Repeat the same process for each nail. A tip: close the polygel tube after each use, as it will continue to cure inside when it gets in contact with UV rays. After finishing with polygel, use an alcohol cotton to remove the stickiness and use the file to smooth the area. I use the pointy drill bit ceramic medium grit to remove the polygel close to my cuticle area to avoid any lifting. This is happening to me sometimes because the polygel is clear and I do not pay too much attention when I infill the nail. how it is done. In my next video we'll see how it looks with color on it.